Right, good morning everybody, and welcome to Claire Clark's Centre of Patisserie Excellence. But this is our second year of doing the Revamp the Vol-au-vent competition. So we wish you the very best of luck. We have an hour on the clock. Cook your vol-au-vents now. Good luck everybody. Ten seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everybody's finished. Well done.
All the students did really well, and all the little twists that they put it on the canapes, and the best important thing was to see that how they got his PD cases into a different level. It's amazing to see the creativity behind everybody, that all the talents that students put it onto the pastry. Is amazing to see that.
It doesn't feel real, to be honest. When they said my name, I was really confused. I did not expect at all to win. I've not done a competition before. It's a big step, but I'm really glad that I entered. It's been quite stressful at times, but it's completely worth it.